Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial in using Canva.com. So once you have the address, then you are going to create your own account. Once you have your own account, as you can see I do here, click on Create a Design. Now, when you get to that, you're going to use custom dimensions. You should put in 3000 by 3000 and make sure to use the pixels, and then you can hit Create Design. Now here you will see the interface. Basically, you're going to be using probably the photo area. You might want to use the elements. Suppose you were doing a podcast about our civil unrest. Might use an image like that, for example, and then maybe you would want to use a background to that. So you would go to here and maybe use another free background and create your own text so you can see things like that. If you wanted to upload your own photograph, then just go to the upload area and let's go to upload an image, and let's just pick one here of this was in my neighborhood, and they were cleaning up. Now I find the picture, I hit the open button, and it appears in my image area. I just double click that, and then it's in my interface work area here. So you can use these different tools. Now let's go back down here to more, and you will have easy access to areas like pixels. Okay, so let's say that I wanted to create a podcast about golf for female golfers. Now, I want to use a square image, so I'm not going to use this. But maybe I would use this one if I like that one. I like it because it's free. That's number one. Then what I would want to do is I want to create some text on that. So I'm going to click the T for text. And what I can do is I can look through all of these various templates here, and I could try one. If I just click on that, then I can just bring this over here. And what I can do is just erase that. And maybe I want to say top female golfers. And if I don't want to use a subtitle, then maybe I would erase this like that. Get in there and really erase it. And I'm going to erase this. And I don't need that, so I'm going to delete that. If I wanted to, let's do that again. If I wanted to change the color, just go in there and highlight. And then I'm going to go up to this little color bar here. And suppose I wanted it to be white. And then, got to select all of them here. So let's go back and do that again. And now we've got that. And I can continue to play with placement and how I want this to appear. And you have different effects here that you can use. If you go to the text area, again, you can pick from these templates, or you can pick from the bar up here and look at different effects and filters and adjustments and such. So you can kind of play around until you get the look that you want. Now, if I decide that that's the look that I want to go for, then all I need to do is download it. So I'm going to go up to the download button right up here, and it's a PNG, and I see that it's 3000 by 3000, and I'm just fine with the rest of this, so I want to download it. And there it comes. So we'll take a look at this in just a moment. And there it is on my desktop. and I'll click into it, and there it is. So there's my image. Now, I don't really like that peach background for that, but just to show you quickly that you can customize these and make it just the way you want it pretty easily. It's kind of fun too. So that is how you use Canva.com.